Hi guys, magro-Roblox tayo ngayon. And sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam ng pangalan ko, ayan lang po sa taas. I-add nyo na po ako para sa Grow a Garden is bibigyan ko kayo ng pet ng gusto nyo. Ayan. So, ito nga ang ating lalaruin. So, yan. No, guys. So, wala dito. I failed my math test. So, yun guys. Naglo-loading pa. So, yan na guys. Nagsimula na. So, panoodin nyo na to and subscribe, like, and share guys. So, yan. Kailangan na natin itong itago sa ating nanay. Paano natin gagawin yan? Oh my God. Oh no. Anong gagawin natin? Hindi dyan. Anong gagawin ko sa bathroom? Alam ko na guys. Ano kaya kung hindi? Anong gagawin ko dito? Yes. Kausapin natin yung ating dad. Home sweet home. Oh, hello, Ayesha 18583. I didn't see you here. Hi, Dad. How was work? I was too bad. How was school? How come you are home so early? Oh yeah, the teacher let us leave early. Definitely not anything else. Okay. Well, I'm going to go take a bath. I haven't had one. Ew, that gross. Yun guys, lagot tayo. Oh well, he's got nothing. Kaya na kaya gaga. Hala, nakita niya guys. Ay, anong gagawin niya? Oh my God, guys. Oh, guys. Guys! Mag-play again tayo, guys. Guys, napakahirap itago. Last na natin to, guys. So, yan. Anong gagawin natin? Oy, oy, oy. Guys, dumating agad, ang bilis. It's okay. Hindi siya nagalit kasi pinagtapat natin. Okay guys, kaya mas magandang sabihin yung totoo kaysa sa tago mo pa. Hanggang dito na lang. Goodbye.